Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today. We're going to take a look at a plugged kitchen sink. Let's see what we find. Joints. I'm gonna cut this pipe right here, coupling it down. Yeah. All right, ma'am. Okay, so like I said, you're going to want to run hot water on a regular basis. Usually I suggest after you've done your dishes, you can let it run for the longer the better. I usually suggest a half an hour. So you can do 10, 15, 20 minutes. Anything is better than nothing. Okay. If it's an inconvenience to do this, grab some big pots, boil them, right? Pour it down, just let it run. I would still do this water as well though, just because you want constant hot water, right? So if you got constant hot water, it's going to coat the pipe on the inside and melt it down.
Thank you.
No problem. So yeah, so I'm just filling it up. I want to see that we got good drain, and after that I'm going to tell you to keep this running for half an hour. Okay. Because I want it running now for a half an hour because I may have broke some stuff off the inside of the pipe. Okay. Grease and whatnot. We want to make sure that gets washed out.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So. What's that? Yeah, no, you can do your thing. I'm just letting it fill up and then I'm going to drain it out.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
No problem. All right, so here you go, guys. We ran the snake down and everything's looking good. I told her to keep her water running for about half an hour. We got the swirl we were looking for at the end there. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.